Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing the Jergens Ultra Healing Moisturizer. It says to repair and heal extra dry skin, and it is infused with plentiful of vitamins. As you can see, there is vitamin C, E and B5, and it is supposed to penetrate to 5 layers of the skin. The downside upfront I would like to say is this moisturizer has a little bit of alcohol in it, and that is probably the reason it dries down so fast. The lotion is not sticky. It spreads very easily. It is not runny and not too creamy, so it's easy to spread and it gets absorbed very quickly. So if you're someone who really does not like moisturizers which take a lot of time to get absorbed into your skin, this could be a pretty good moisturizer for that use case. It gets absorbed instantly if you are in a hurry and just need a couple of pumps of moisturizer to put on your body. I think this is a great product for that. I have purchased this on and off over the years. The lotion is very light. It has very slight smell, but nothing intimidating, nothing irritating. I don't think fragrance is a big issue for me with this product, and the scent all like fades away within a few minutes, and it is moisturizing for the normal skin, but I wouldn't really call it ultra healing or something that is made for extra dry skin. I think if you have very dry skin, you should probably go for the Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. I have reviewed that as well on my channel, and I will link it at the end of this video. That is something you should look for if you have extra dry skin. This is something I would say, between normal to dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, this works great for you. The effect of moisturization does not really last 24 hours. I would say it lasts between maybe between 14 to 18 hours. By the end of the day, you might feel a little bit of dehydrated effect on your skin. So I think the claim of 24 hours does not really stand true. The plus sides here are, like I said, very fast absorbing, very lightweight. It is not going to feel greasy, sticky, heavy on your skin. So if you are somebody who lives in humid climate areas, or in areas where the weather or climate is generally hot, I think this is a great moisturizer for those those geographies. This is not going to be irritating for your skin or annoying when it gets sweaty or humid. The spreadability is amazing. It takes literally few minutes for it to be applied throughout your body and get absorbed. It does not really do any kind of healing effect if you have eczema or rosacea or any dry patches on your skin. But if you have normal skin which you would like to maintain, I think this moisturizer is going to really help you in that front. About the glowing part, I see that there are a few Jergens moisturizing lotion which do say to have the glowing effect. This one does not. It gives you a little bit of sheen, I think maybe for the first hour or so, but it's very light, and it kind of fades away after an hour. So I don't really think that the glow effect is really long lasting or should be something that they would advertise a lot. And overall, I think this is a pretty good bang for your buck. The bottle this size costs well below $10, and it lasts a really long time. You can pretty much apply it all over your body. I haven't tried using it on my face. I'm very careful about the products I use on my face, so I haven't really tried it and don't intend to use this for my face. It keeps the rest of my body really moisturized. I find myself reaching out to this moisturizer when I'm in a hurry. I don't think the weather is gonna be extra dry or cold, especially during the summer months or rainy season. I see myself reaching out to this moisturizer more often. Also, if I want to reapply, I think this is a very good and safe bet in terms of moisturizer to reapply, because it does not have that it has that non-greasy, non-sticky feeling, which I love, and it slides so easily and absorbs so quickly. So it's like, you are in and out within a few minutes. So I think that is great, that comes from this brand. And I've used it for a few years now, and I have it in my stash. I go back to it only during certain times of the year, but I wouldn't use it if I have the feeling of an extra dry skin. I usually reach out to my user and moisturizing lotion for that, and this is something I use on and off. So I think you can still give it a try. It has special criterias for me to be used, but if your requirements fall in that area, definitely you should give it a try. It is quite inexpensive for the quantity you get, and it is a quality product, but it is not going to blow your mind off. So I think it's a great product for the price point that it is offered at, and it can be something that could be a staple in your daily skincare. Thank you. Let me know if you guys like my review, and if you have tried this product, or if you would like me to try and review another product. Please leave a comment, share and subscribe, and show some love for this channel. Thank you.